your line spacing, your font, you're going to want to go ahead and start typing your essay. So you get here in your Word document, you hit the delete button till you get your cursor up here in the top left hand corner. The first thing that goes here is your name, first and then last. Then you hit the enter the return button one time. Since you've already set up your line spacing, it will automatically double space for you. The next thing that comes is your teacher's name. And on the next line, again, you hit the return button one time. Comes the class, and then the date. This is considered your heading with an ing on the end. We will set up our header later. So for now we have this. Notice if I were to go here and hit enter twice, see now I have 4 spaces. I don't want 4 spaces. I want 2 spaces between everything. Since we've already set up our line spacing, you should only have to hit the enter key one time. So after the date, hit the enter key one time. You'll notice here that I am in the left alignment portion of the Microsoft Word document. When I do the next line here, this is going to be my title. I want to center it, so I go over here, up the top here, and click Center the Text. Then we want to go ahead and type in our title. You'll notice our title is not in bold, it is not underlined, it is not italicized. It is the same type, the same font, Times New Roman, and the same size as everything else. It is the same spacing as well, double spacing on everything. Now if you hit the enter key one more time, you're going to go down and you'll notice your cursor is still center aligned. Make sure you go back up here and click left alignment. This way your essay will be aligned properly. Now when you start typing, you're going to want to use the tab key to indent every new paragraph. This will get you in exactly half an inch from the edge, which is what it should be when you're writing a paragraph. Now, as you're typing, you need to keep typing, and the computer will automatically send you to the next line. Now you'll notice my typing is not all that great, but that's alright because I can go back and fix it. How good is that? You'll notice it automatically takes you down, and your line spacing is just right because you have already set up everything to be double spaced. Now when you want to start a new paragraph, you go ahead and hit the enter key one time, and again use the tab key, and you can start your new paragraph. And that is how you set up your heading and how you start typing your essay, along with setting up the title. This is an MLA format, and this is with a Microsoft Word typing program. And this happens to be on a Macintosh. If you have Microsoft Windows, all of your buttons up here might have slightly different names on it, but I'm sure that you can figure out how to set up your paper properly. And again, make sure everything is left aligned except for the title, which is centered. And every time you start a new paragraph, you use the tab key to indent. That way it's indented the same every time. And again, this is MLA format for the heading and for spacing of your title and your paragraphs.